Look at this. It's snowing outside. This is a view from our
Can I see?
window. Yeah, you can see. See?
It's covered in snow. Why, Bobby?
I know. And Mika is staying home. Those cool. See?
And Sharky eats snow. Snow is very good.
Oh my gosh. Look at that. See it, Mika?
Uh-huh.
Look at the neighborhood. They're covered with snow.
Uh-huh. I see the snow all over the
And
world.
still snowing.
Bobby,
What?
can I see?
What?
I want to taste the snow.
Go
That's
ahead,
why it's
go
so
ahead.
snowing.
Taste the snow. Stick out your tongue. Stick out your tongue. How does it taste?
I think I'm gonna have one. Am I outside?
Ooh, it's cold.
Can I see, Bobby?